I'm not sure what I'm doing now. I'm not sure where I am now. But I'm sure what kind of state in my mentality I have. I have cognition myself. I'm not so masculine. Hermaphroditically speaking, there is a way for us to go forth as the same path. In my case, I'm not going to go forth in the path. What I need is masculinity. The masculinity I need engenders my way, which is surefire. I need a surefire direction for me to justify myself. To live is mysterious. I am proud of my mystery. How to live better. Where there is a will, there is a way. I need a way. According to my will, I have inwardly in my heart. That's the thing I need to obtain as a matter of masculinity as an individual.